Hi friends, in this session we are going to see about how the questions are asked in MSET. We have hardly 2 or 3 months for preparing for MSET. So my suggestion is, whatever you read, you categorize the every chapter in each subject into three types, that is extremely important topics and extremely important chapters and average chapters in the sense, you that is good to know the chapters. That means just touch the topics, okay, so that you can attempt at least what you know, what you read, at least 2 or 3 questions. So categorize the chapters into three types: extremely important, important and average. This is my first foremost suggestion. And coming to the important topics in maths, chemistry and physics, first of all we go with the maths. In mathematics, the first and foremost important topic is definite and indefinite integrals. We expect more questions from this. This is a calculus part actually. You should practice more and more. You should practice more types of questions, so that you can score in these topics. So next one is functions is also important. You should be familiar with that chapter. And coming to the differentiation, it is also a calculus part. By practicing more and more questions, you can be perfect with this differentiation and integrals. If differentiation is perfect, then you can automatically you can be perfect with definite integrals and indefinite integrals. Coming to the conic sections, in conic section, we have ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. If you are perfect with this, you can score more marks. You can expect more questions from this. You can score more marks. And coming to next one is Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem. These are formula based chapters. If you are familiar with that, if you are familiar with using the formula, you can score in this chapter. And coming to the trigonometry is nothing but, this is also totally formula based chapter. In this we have many more formulas. In the From these topics, just prepare this trigonometry at last, because it has many more formulas to be remember, and many more formulas to be applied. We have many formulas. If you know the formulas, then only you can attempt these trigonometry questions. So next topic is matrices and quadratic equations. This is also most important topic. You can solve by more practice. You can solve the question from these topics, matrices and quadratic equations. These are the maths topics. I'm not saying only prepare these topics. If you prepare these topics, you can score more marks. These are some important topics which are scoring topics in mathematics. And coming to chemistry, in chemistry we have first one is electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is like a physical. It is a physical chemistry. You should practice more problems, so that you can attempt the question from that electrochemistry. Solid state is also most important. Alcohols, phenols and ethers, chemical and ionic equilibrium, this is organic chemistry. And this is chemical and ionic equilibrium. These topics are most important, first four. And these all aldehydes and ketones are also organic topic. This is also important. Coming to SPDF blocks, you should memorize these SPDF blocks more and more. Why? Because direct questions will come from this SPDF block elements. So you should read daily twice. You should revise these topics, so that you can remember the each and every topic from SPDF blocks. Better, I suggest you follow the Telugu Academy book for preparing the chemistry, so that 90% of the questions will come from the Telugu Academy book for MSET. So follow this Telugu Academy book. And coming to physics topics, Coming to physics, the first one is modern physics and waves. You should practice this modern physics and waves. And next topic is the motion in straight line and plane. You should practice this topic also. And next one is gravitation. In physics, all you need to do is practicing reading the that means reading these topics is one side, and applying this topic is one side. So applications, we mostly face many problems in application of the concepts in physics. So read, not only just go through the topic, you should practice more questions so that you can score better in physics. You should be perfect in application part in physics. Coming in case of physics, you should be perfect in application part. Okay, so gravitation, you can expect more questions. EM waves and units and dimensions also you can expect the question. Electromagnetic induction and experimental physics and kinetic theory, thermodynamics, heat part, these are the important questions in physics. My suggestion is, don't waste time in practicing the physics, in practicing tough questions in physics. Don't waste time, because physics is somewhat application related. We face many problems in application, so it is tough to answer the question. So go with don't waste time in solving these questions. Go with maths, mathematics and chemistry. And also my suggestion is, you should write at least 10 to 15 previous year question papers, so that you can score better in MCET. And also 15 to 20 mock test you should write, so that you can solve every questions. Mock test, 15 to 20 mock test daily. From the mock test you should learn that what are the topics which we are not attempting, what are the topics which we are not learning, that should be clarified from this mock test, my dear friends. If you don't solve one, if you suppose if you left one problem, see that answer, so that you can learn one formula, you can learn from one formula. So by solving 15 to 20 mock tests, you can learn many more things. So mock test writing is also most important, and 10 to 15 previous year question papers also important. And coming to most of the syllabus, mostly cover 60% of first year, my dear friends, and then go for 40% of second year, because 60% of first year and 40% of second year, because we have more application in second year. We should, the basics all are from first year, that basics is applied in the second year. If you perfect with the first year, you can also solve the questions in second year even without practicing. So first perfect with the first year and then go for second year. This is my suggestion, and hope this video helped you to some extent. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.